Namaskaram. I'm Ananda Shankar Jayant and I'm delighted to announce the dates for Hyderabad's most awaited festival. Yes, Ramayana Kalpavrksam 4th edition 2026 is here. From the 30th of January through to 1st February 2026, bringing to you Sri Rama and the Ramayana through the prism of arts and scholarship to awaken in us Sri Rama Chaitanya. Ananda Kalpavrksam and Natyarambha, with the support of the Government of India's Ministry of Culture and in collaboration with Brihat, are delighted to bring to you Ramayana Kalpavrksam 2026. This year, we are indeed deeply blessed to have the much revered Brahmasri Chaganti Kotishwar Rao Garu deliver two pravachanams, Sita Rama Kalyanam and Hanumat Darshanam, in Ramamrita, our morning talks. In Ramarasa, our evening performances, we open with an Odyssey recital as an obeisance and a namaskaram to revered Guru Sri Kelucharan Mahopatraji, whose centenary we will be celebrating this year. We have Vidushi Sujata Mahapatra and her daughter Pritisha Mahapatra present Guruji's iconic choreography Sita Haran on the opening evening, followed by the much loved, much liked, much looked up to star musician Sandeep Narayan in a Carnatic music recital. On day 2 of the Ramarasa evening performances, for the very first time in Hyderabad, we bring to you a slice of dance history. Yes, the little ballet theatre coming all the way from Madhya Pradesh, a puppetry-styled dance drama that has a hoary antiquity of almost half a century. Followed by Manganiyar magic, Bungar Khan's Manganiyar music all the way from Rajasthan. On day 3, the 1st of February, we have a public lecture by Professor Srinivas Varakedi, the Vice Chancellor of the Central Sanskrit University, talking to us on Dharma and Maryada in the Ramayana. And as always, we conclude the 3-day evening performances with our signature music program, and this time we have Carnatic 2.0, much followed across the globe. Prime Minister Modi recently gave out a clarion call for decolonization. Inspired by that call, we at Ramayana Kalpavrksam have curated curated, a set of talks and interactive sessions on the why, what and how of decolonization. Taking us through with insightful talks and lectures and sessions are some iconic minds and speakers. Dr. Mohan Raghavan of IIT Hyderabad, Sri T.S. Krishnan, renowned historian, Dr. Rekha Achitani, who is a motivational speaker and who is doing a lot of work in parenting, and Raghav Krishna, the founder of Brihat. And as always, Ramayana Kalpavrksam supports and sustains crafts, young entrepreneurs at Kalagrama, our artisans camp. So Ananda Kalpavrksam and Natyarambha bring to you Ramayana Kalpavrksam with the support of a host of volunteers, collaborators, supporters and sponsors from the 30th of January through to 1st February 2026. Registrations are open, so quickly head across to ramayanakalpavrksam.com to get your tickets, and looking forward to seeing you soon at Ramayana Kalpavrksam 4th edition 2026. Namaste.